Hi, Classy Claws. Sorry, it's been a long time since my last video, and this one is a super quick 5-minute video. I just kind of threw it together really. I came back from holiday and I just quickly changed my nails and put these on Saturday. Just using coconut milk and more and some gems really. That was about it. So I've done all my prep and I was using the new monomer from CJP called the One. Excuse that finger there, I went a bit mad with the clippers and took off my finger off. So I used the new monomer, which has primer in it, so you don't need to use your own primer. So you use your dehydrator and then go straight in. I have to say though, I know everybody's raving about this new product, but I found it heated up quite a lot and I could feel my fingers burning. I don't want to put people off by buying it, but I actually felt my fingers burning, so I don't know whether I'd used too much. As you can see, I work ridiculously wet, and because I've not used this monomer before, I think that was probably the problem. So again, I need to work a lot drier and then maybe the heat won't come through. I could feel how hot that it was getting. But anyway, they've been on since Saturday. There's no lifting or anything, you know, they feel just as secure as if I'd have used primer. So so basically I've just done 1, 2, 3 ombres. God, I can't even think straight. And then I've done a reverse application, and then I've done a plain pink with some gems on. Really simple, really quickly. But they look really fresh. I love pink and white. You can't beat a pink and white. So I'll just leave you to watch and enjoy it really. And then give me thumbs up if you like it. I know you probably weren't around that it's really wet, and I get that and I understand that. But I promise I will work on it for my next one. I'm just rubbish at it. But do you know what? They turn out okay in the end anyway, and we bang on about this every single time I do a set. But hey ho, it is what it is. That's my style. Wet. I'll leave you to watch, and then if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, and subscribe if you haven't already, because there's some lovely sets on there. There's some on my channel. There's lots of lovely bright colourful sets, you know, ready for the summer. You know, go and have a look and see what you think. All right, thanks very much guys, see you soon. Bye now. Bye.